Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up verifying roof age for underwriting with Roofstock. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with verifying roof age for underwriting with Roofstock, first, log in to your Roofstock account. If you don't have an account yet, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, navigate to the property page of the home you're underwriting. Scroll to the section that discusses property details. Look for the information about the roof age. If it's not listed, you'll need to gather additional information. Check any previous inspection reports attached to the property. These reports often contain valuable details regarding the roof's condition and age. If no reports are available, contact the current owner or property manager. Ask them for any records of roof installation or past repairs. Once you have the information, return to the property details page in your Roofstock account. Find the field where you can enter the roof age. Input the verified age of the roof in the provided field. Double-check the information for accuracy. After confirming that the roof age is entered correctly, click on the Update button. This action will save your changes within the platform. If needed, consider including any documentation that supports your verification. Attach any reports or correspondence in the designated area. This added documentation can help strengthen your underwriting process. Once everything is complete, review the entire property listing for any other updates. Finally, ensure that all information is current before proceeding with underwriting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.